In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and how to use it. So, why you need this ComfyUI? That means most creators use custom nodes that are not included in the base installation. So when you download someone's workflow, there's a big chance it uses nodes that you don't have installed yet. And what happens? Workflow simply doesn't work. So before we start, make sure that you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So open this website right here. So the official website, uh, comfy.org, and then you will see in this first window right here the most powerful tool for generative AI, and it's open source. So download ComfyUI, and then you here select download for Windows, download for Mac, or install from GitHub. So if I can show you here on the GitHub, you have those nodes right over here. And if you want to install it with the link, you have options also, or you can download as a zip file. And so now you downloading the ComfyUI setup. When it's installed, just click run, and the manager will automatically be installed like that. So as you can see here, now we have this Comfy setup right over here. And what you need to do is just, this window will pop up, ComfyUI setup. Then you choose destination folder and click install. So my Comfy is running. You will need to wait a little bit to install it. Just like that. When you are done with that, just click finish, and the Comfy will open up. Here you will also need to wait a little bit. You will get some warning if you need some updates. So this will automatically download the latest features, improvement, and bug fixes. So yeah, when the update is finished, you will need to restart Comfy again. Now you see that we are starting our ComfyUI, and just like that, we are in our Comfy. Here, what you can do is at the top right corner, you can log in to be able to use API nodes. You can log in with Google. So if I do that, or you can log in with GitHub, Comfy API key if you have it, or you can just sign up. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can install the ComfyUI. Pretty simple. If you found this video helpful, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next